Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. So I came to this in the middle of the mountain, redwood, such beautiful place. And I want to reclaim myself. and I want to do an outfit of the day to lift up my spirit. Today I actually tried these pants, this pair of pants becoming a little bit too loose, so I adjusted it. Let's take a look. So this is this pair of pants, and it's kind of a super duper relaxing. And after a long time, you can see it here, after using it very long time, it becomes very, very long. It loosens up. It becomes dangerous. So I tied some rubber band inside and I can walk, and it's so good. I'm proud of what I have done. So you will see the outfit of the day. This is it, and it's so comfortable. Oh, let me raise it up even further. See, it's so comfortable. Oh. Little bit this way, I think. Did you see it? Oh, it's so beautiful here. See, I will not trip myself. I will not fall down. If it is too long, sometimes I step on it. It will be dangerous. And this way, it's just perfect. Oh, so beautiful here. Okay, that's it. So silly. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Gulu, gulu, bye, bye. Okay, let's have a walk here. Since this place is so nice and it's so magical, nature really has this superpower to reclaim what has been done wrong, and including ourselves, reclaim our good, right spirit. So this place is around 30 minutes away from my home. Can you imagine it? It's so magical, right? Okay, I put my microphone a little bit better. Huh? So this place is about 30 minutes away from my home. Look at it. And I just find it very, very, very unbelievable. Can you know what it is? I am thinking this might be mountain bike trail. Don't you think so? Look at this. Look at this bike trails. See, it looks like mountain bike trails. Yeah, is that the mountain bike? Does people come here for mountain biking? This is unbelievable how dangerous it will be. You know, I have a student. He was a very unique student, and he eventually became a professional mountain biker. Oh, sorry, let me fix it. Yeah, he's became a coach and participate in competitions and maybe some advertisement, sponsorship, and all this. And when I think about it, it is amazing, right? And just to think about people's life, you do not only need to do one thing. You can do many different things in life. And some of the trail may not be easy, but it is so fulfilling if you choose to do something that speaks to your heart. Oh, this is a little bit too steep. I need to find a flat place. I am a little bit falling down. And on this mountain road, there are a lot of bicycles. There is a car driving road. See, there are people. There are cars and bicycles. It's famous for mountain biking. But this kind of mountain biking is kind of scary, right? It's so inspiring thinking about that student, thinking about people's life, and he is very good at music, a lot of fun, and crack jokes, and drives me totally crazy in class because he cannot stop speaking. And thinking about it, I really admire it. And thinking about it, I really admire his choice. We all have different life. We all can choose what truly speaks to our heart. And also coming to nature to immerse yourself in the big trees, in this beautiful mountain. This is an uncomparable gift from heaven. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu bye bye.